Welcome to day 3, Wednesday, December 16th. It's a Wednesday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. 2 activities in async today. The first one is POV and claim. You're going to type in your POV and your claim like we talked about yesterday. Okay, so if you already have a copy, I know some of you do, just copy and paste it into here and submit it to me. You can also start to put in the evidence that you want to use for your essay, right? Okay. Next activity is in MEL. Please do the MEL assignments, friend. You have 2 activities, match tone and audience to purpose, and match tone to audience and purpose, and write a workplace incident report. Okay, so make sure you do both of those activities. That's it for async. There are some things for today. I will be available from 9:30 to 10:30 if you need help on your essay, but you have to let me know by 9 a.m. if you want me to go into Zoom and help you. Also, there's student government at 12 o'clock for my student government rep, and there is also a immigration know your rights workshop um, at 10 o'clock, and here's the code. Remember we talked about your rights as a worker, and then so this is the theme for the week is know your rights. Also for student government, if you cannot go to the 12 o'clock, you can go to the 5 p.m. and the password is SG Leaders, capital S, capital G, capital L. All right, and that's it for today, and good luck.